Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer, which is the speaker for sounds, on a Google Pixel 6 phone. The first thing we need to do is turn off the phone. We never clean a phone while it is turned on, so we hold down the volume up and power buttons to bring up the menu, and then we select the power off option. Once the phone is turned off, we can proceed to cleaning. For this, we need a rectangular brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard, otherwise they will scratch your phone. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol so that it allows us to clean off the dirt and then evaporates without leaving a trace. You can buy this brush and a diffuser like this in a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have one, you can try using just a toothbrush. Just make sure it has soft or medium hard bristles. Otherwise, as I said before, you will scratch your phone. So once we have the phone turned off, we dampen the brush thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol so that it is wet. We take the phone in our hand. The buzzer is on this side, this opening, and we clean this opening in one direction, about 10 to 15 strokes, to perfectly clean the socket. Then, after those 10 to 15 strokes, do the same in the other direction, 10 to 15 strokes. But as I said, do those 10 to 15 strokes in one direction, because if you go right, left, unfortunately, you won't clean it properly. You'll just be moving the dirt around the hole, and it simply won't come out of the hole, so you won't get it clean. You won't clean the buzzer at all. After you have completed about 10 to 15 gentle strokes back and forth, we can then proceed to perform the exact same cleaning process towards the screen as well. To clean the part that goes towards the screen more thoroughly, and then do the same towards the back cover. And then we repeat this process 2 or 3 times in each direction to clean the buzzer perfectly. As I said, at least 10 repetitions in one direction. Then the dirt is pushed to the end of the opening, and then it is pushed out of the opening, and then the buzzer opening is clean, and the buzzer will work like new. After the operation, we set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates, and after that time, we can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please leave a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.